I was in Lidl, whatever you want to call it, Jobs. I took my spiral ham and I overpaid for it, but I didn't care. I just want to eat one of, this is the first time I'm doing that, and they only spiral cut it to there. So I got a half a cut spiral ham. I ripped off all the fat, and there it goes. Oh, I gotta wash my hands. Pause for the cause. Wait. All right, I hope this works because I don't want to touch a ham again and get my hands all greasy, but there you go. Get it centered. We have some tree ripe orange pineapple juice. We did some turkey in this, and guess what? It melted the turkey meat. So much acidity, you have no idea. But did I care? No. Everything that it did not melt was delicious and the moistest turkey I've ever had in my life. Now, tomorrow, I will be cooking something in the bottom rack, which means I cannot put it at the lowest level, so we need two of these. Bam, there you go. Now, when I did the turkey, guess what?